Today I received the special edition RED Komodo 6K cinema camera in Storm Trooper White. This model is designed for beta testing before the production model hits later this year. I'm really excited to crack this open, so let's do it. If you're unfamiliar with the RED Komodo, it's the new small form factor camera from RED Digital Cinema. Designed to be put in tight places, the camera boasts 6K resolution and a brand new sensor featuring a global shutter. That means gone are the days of having your handheld footage look like jello. When I picked up my camera, I was able to grab a few available accessories, including the Komodo outrigger handle and the RED branded CFast 2.0 card reader, designed and manufactured by Angelbird. I also picked up some other rigging accessories from Global Dynamics United. This included the monitor mount, the Timmy Ribs side mounts, and the left side stubby cowboy handle. So now that we've got that out of the way, let's crack open this box. Just grab my trusty knife here. Also, if you're new to the channel, click the subscribe button and press the notification bell to keep up to date with all of our upcoming videos. Right off the bat, I can tell you that this box feels really premium. It has a cloth-like texture, and I'm not sure if you can tell in this light, but there's even a pattern of dragon scales that adds an extra layer of dimension to the box. Ooh. The front of the box has a magnetic lip that really adds to the presentation. That's really cool. Oh, wow, okay. Under the flap here, there's the Komodo launch sequence, which, as you can see, is an illustrated guide to get started with your brand new RED camera. And then down here, we have a little business card. Congratulations. It's a little registration card. All right, here we go. The moment of truth. Wow. Yes, that is the Komodo 6K. But before we take it out, let's check these side flaps. Okay, so we have a red sticker, which you can put on anything, I guess. You can put on your case or your camera cart or something. And then we have the power brick. Oh, it's snagged. 1 second. Okay, first we have this little case. Just open it up. Okay, there's instructions and... Oh, okay, this is the travel adapter. So if you're traveling abroad and you need to plug it into the wall, you have these 2 extra adapters to make that happen. Very cool. It's probably the best way I've seen those presented. Okay, now we have the power brick. Let me just pull this cable out here. 1 sec. And there it is. It's a pretty long cable. It's got the ODU port and RED branded on the front. It's even got the scales like the box does. That's pretty cool. Now on the other side, we've got 1 sec. The power cable that plugs the brick into the wall. And then we have a registration card, which I've seen one of these before because I have a Canon EOS R. So I know what this is. This is the EOS R to EF adapter, which comes with the Storm Trooper model. It probably will not be coming with the production model. The camera itself has an RF mount, which is on the Canon EOS R, RP, R5, and R6. However, the Komodo firmware right now can only control the autofocus and aperture on most EF lenses, but not RF lenses, which is why this adapter is included with the Stormtrooper models. As the engineers at RED continue to develop the autofocus controls, the RF will be activated, so it's just a matter of time, and hopefully will be fully functional by the time of the production release. Alright, so here we are. This is the Komodo 6K. Look at that. It is tiny and it is super light, but it feels solid. And we have the screen, the pogo ports on the top, the Wi-Fi antenna, so you can control it with your phone. And there's the RF mount, heatsink, and battery. Wow, this is really nice. It's the CFast door. It's solid, nice click. Wow, I'm speechless. This is gorgeous. I've never been speechless opening a camera before, but this is craftsmanship. Look at that. Red Digital Cinema. You outdone yourself. So that is the RED Komodo 6K unboxed. It is a beautiful camera. The Storm Trooper white is amazing. I never thought I would have a white camera or be wowed by such a beautiful camera before. But there's always a first for everything. In part 2 of this video, I will open up all of the accessories and build it out. I am still waiting for a few accessories, but for what I have, I'll show you that in part 2, and then we'll go from there. If you like this video, click the thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so that you can keep an eye out for part 2.